Right, with P4 June 2024 question one. Don't normally bother with question ones because but what the hell, it's an integration by parts. So I'm going to do x cos 3x between those limits. I'll do the integration first. Here's what it says in the formula book. UdV is uv minus the v du. So my u, of course, is the x. I don't want to integrate that. I want to differentiate that. So I make that the u. If I integrate it, I'll get x squared over 2, which makes my life even worse. And then the cos 3x is the dv over dx, the v differentiated. So I want u, which is x, times the v. So I need to integrate cos 3x. What do we differentiate to get the cos 3x? Well, sine 3x gives me 3 cos 3x. So I need to stick a third in front to make it just cos 3x. And then minus, well, the du over dx is just 1, that's all right. And then the v, I'll just work that out, a third sine 3x. So first term's all right, a third x sine 3x, forget about that 1. If I differentiate cos 3x, I get minus a 3 sine 3x. So I need a plus there because I've got a minus. But I need to put a ninth in front because I don't want that 3, I want a third. Here's the tabular method, plus, minus, plus, then in the sine column, differentiating the x, of course, and integrating the cos 3x. So I differentiate the x, differentiate the 1, integrate the cos 3x, and then into sine 3x. And I pick the top row, second row, gives me a third x sine 3x. Second row, third row, give me plus a ninth cos 3x. A student of mine prefers the SID method because it makes a nice, pretty symmetrical pattern when it picks out the terms. Probably because you can't remember to go down a row at the end. And here's the what on earth would differentiate to get that method. Well, if I differentiate x sine 3x, with the product rule, I'm going to end up with cos 3x somewhere. But if I differentiate this, I'll have 1 times sine 3x plus x times sine 3x differentiated, which is 3 cos 3x multiplied by x. I don't want 3x cos 3x, though. I just want one of them. So if I differentiate a third of x sine 3x, I'll end with a third sine 3x plus that x cos 3x. So I'm getting there. But I don't want that third sine 3x. I want to sort of subtract that. So I need to differentiate cos 3x. But if I differentiate cos 3x, I get minus 3 sine 3x. So I'm going to have to put a plus a ninth in front. So I don't end up with minus 3. I end up with minus a third. Then putting the limits into my expression. I'll have a third of the pi over 6 times sine pi over 2 plus a ninth of cos pi over 2. And then putting the 0 in. Don't just dismiss the zeros because the cos of 0 isn't 0. So and this term, well, I'm forgetting about the sine pi over 2 because that's just 1. So it's just pi over 18. Cos of pi over 2 is 0, so forget about that term. Sine 0 is 0, and there's a 0 as well. So that term's definitely 0. And then I've got minus a ninth of cos 0. Cos 0 is just 1. So I've got minus a ninth